Hello guys, this is Miss Jocelyn Flamenco and today we're going to learn about imperatives. Or an imperative is formed with the verb without a subject, and the negative imperative is formed with do not or the contraction don't plus the verb, like this example. Here we have open the door, we don't have any subject. Take an aspirin. Pay attention. Here we have some negative imperatives. Don't touch that. Don't play with your brother. If you notice, the sentence or the imperative start with don't, don't, the contraction of do not. Let's continue. The imperative. We use the imperatives for to give orders, write your name, give instructions, take a deep breath, offer something, have some tea, or make a request. Be quiet, please. We form the imperative with the verb infinitive without subject. Here we have an example. Sit down, please. If you notice, guys, here we don't have any subject. We form the negative imperative with the not or don't and the verb infinitive. As I said before, here we have don't. The imperative starts with negative. Don't feed the animals. We don't have any subject. We use the imperative to give instructions. Put the spaghetti dish in the oven. We use the imperative to give orders. Don't eat in class. That is an order, and here we don't have any subject, and it is understand what is the meaning. We use the imperative also to offer something, have a snack. We use the imperative to tell someone what to do or not to do. Sign this form, please. If the message is clear, very clear, and we don't use any subject. Okay, guys, that is all for now. Bye bye. Take care, guys.